Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. We're going to show you how to replace the paper release lever on an Underwood or Remington Noiseless portable. And so let's see. Get the camera straightened out here. This is the Underwood version, and this one's got the broken lever up here. There's just a stud, just a nub sticking off here. So we went and got our, what might be a parts machine, because this is actually bent. It got bent. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell, but it is bent. Not sure if we're going to fix this, so I'm going to go ahead and rob the part off of here, and I already took it off. It's in this, underneath this cover. I'm leaving it off because I'm going to put the old piece back in here, and it mounts here with the shoulder screw and stuff. So we're going to set this aside. Oops. And bring this one back over and show you how that thing attaches. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. It's behind this cover. The other Remington here with a, didn't have a chrome cover, it had a black, flat black cover, so get this cover off. I know the other side, the other cover, when you take it off, a bunch of springs come off with it. It's really hard to get it reassembled, but this side doesn't have that. It just comes off and exposes the mechanisms under here. So I'm not sure this is the same part, but it looks like it is. Okay, so there's one shoulder screw right there. Loosen this, and there's no backing nut. It's just a shoulder screw. And that comes off, and it's got a shoulder on it. And this piece comes right out. It does mesh up with the gear right down here. So we kind of got to make sure the gear mesh is proper. It's got to mesh up with that gear. So I'm just going to take it out and try to stick it back in there vertical like that. There it goes, just nice and easy. So this one should just line back up. Doesn't quite feel right. Look at these two parts, make sure they're identical. Yeah, they looks the same. So want to initially fit in here just exactly right. It needs to be down just a little bit. Feel right. Okay, maybe that's it right there. Let's put the shoulder screw back in here and try it. Okay, that feels good. Alright, let's try it. That's it. Bingo, success. Okay, so that's replaced. In fact, the original does not look like it was chrome. This one is chrome. Kind of neat. So we'll put this back on the other Remington just so we know what we did. This cover's a little banged up. See that? Like it's been through a little abuse. goes like that. Call this particular repair finished. Get this started. Okay. That one's in there. Okay. Success, paper release lever replaced. This is the one that we did the bell on earlier with the spring assembly. Getting the bell to work right. Oh, it's still a little tight, won't move. That's that point. Yeah, might have to loosen that up a little bit. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter, good day.